Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to MathsGuru. Today we are going to discuss about application of first degree equation in one variable. Okay, so I have taken some problems from exercise 2.2, that is first degree linear equation, first degree or linear equation in one variable. The first question is the perimeter of a rectangular playground is 280 meters and its length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. Okay, find the length and breadth of the playground. Okay, so amar ki dia ase amar etu rectangular playground ase tar perimeter dia ase. Okay, that means sari kakhtu dia ase, sari falor length dia ase. Tasot amak eta kotha koise its length is 2 meter more than its twice breadth. Breadth to jodi ami x boli lolo amar jitu amar length hobo etu twice x or logot ako 2 meter extra. Okay, so let the breadth of the playground be x meter, then the length of the playground equals to twice x plus 2 meter according to the question. So according to question, 2 into L plus B, that is equals to perimeter, or 2 into length plus breadth equals to perimeter. As we have got, this is the breadth and this is your length. So putting the values, so 2 into length is twice x plus 2 and breadth is x. 2 re jodi ami 280 divide kori 140 pam. Okay, is twice x plus x is thrice x and this 2, that is thrice x plus 2 equals to 140. Okay, or thrice x equals to 138. 2 to jodi ami efale loi jao, minus 140 minus 2 is 138, or x equals to 46. 3 to ami efale divide kori loi goisu. Okay, so x is equals to 48 means x is the breadth of the playground. Okay, so length of the playground is 2 into 46 plus 2 is equals to 94 meters. Okay, so breadth is 46 meter and length is 94 meters. That is our required solution. Okay, so the next question, the length of first side of a scalene triangle is 2 centimeter more than that of third side, and the length of second side is 5 centimeter less than twice that of the third side. If the perimeter of the triangle is 29 centimeter, determine the length of the sides of the triangle. My scalene triangle boli koi dise, so amar yat eta side equal nohobo, to ami third side jitu ase third side opor basis kori problem to koi ase, so third side to ami x boli dhori loisu. Okay, so length of second side to ki dia ase, second side 5 meter less than twice that of the third side. Third side or twice ke 5 meter less, so twice x minus 5 centimeter. 2 into third side, third side or twice or 5 meter less, so twice x minus 5. Okay, so the length of first side to ki dia ase 2 centimeter more than that of third side. Third side ke 2 centimeter besi, so x plus 2. Okay, again it is given perimeter is equals to 29 centimeter. So after putting the values of this, x plus twice x plus 5 plus x plus 2 is equals to 29. Okay, so this x plus twice x plus x is 4x minus 5 plus 2. Okay, and that is 29. Okay, or 4x minus 3 equals to 29, or 4x equals to 32, or x equals to 8. So we have got this x. Okay, so the length of the sides of the triangle, 8 plus 2, that is 10 centimeter, 8 into 2 minus 5, that is 11 centimeter, and 8 centimeter. So these are our required side of the scalene triangle, that is 10 centimeter, 11 centimeter, and 8 centimeter. Is there any doubt, my dear students? Jodi tumlokor kiba doubt thake tumloke comment section ot janabo pariba. So the next question is, after 20 years the age of Smita will be 4 years less than 5 times of her present age. What is Smita's present age? So amar ki dia ase 20 বছৰৰ পিছত স্মিতাৰ বয়সটো তাৰ প্ৰেজেন্ট বয়স তাৰ বৰ্তমান বয়সৰ 5 গুণতকৈ 4 years কম হ'ব. Okay, our present age to liable again. So let of present age of Smita equals to x years. According to question, x plus 20, that means 20 বছৰ পিছত হ'ব কিমান হ'ব 5x minus 4, that means 5 times of our present age less than 4. Okay, that is 5x minus 4. After solving this, x to আমি ইফালে লৈ গ'লো 5x minus x আৰু 4 to ইফালে লৈ আহিলোঁ, so 20 plus 4, that is 5x minus is 4x equals to 24, or x equals to 6. So Smita's present age is equals to 6 years, which is our required solution. Okay, so now go to the next problem. The next problem is the price of each ticket of a drama show is rupees 100 for children and rupees 250 for adults. Okay, rupees 8,600 is collected from 50 parcels by selling tickets. How many of them are children? So আমাৰ কি দি আছে, আমাৰ ড্ৰামা শ্ব' এটা আছিলে, তাত চিলড্ৰেনৰ কাৰণে 100 ৰুপি টিকেট কৰাইছিলে, 250 ৰুপিজ এডাল্টৰ কাৰণে. অ'কে, তাৰ ভিতৰত টোটেল পাৰ্চন আছিলে আমাৰ 50%, ইনক্লুডিং চিলড্ৰেন এণ্ড দ্য এডাল্টছ. অ'কে, এণ্ড টোটেল ৰুপিজ ইজ কালেক্টেড 8,600 ৰুপিজ. অ'কে, এতিয়া আমাৰ উলিয়াব লাগে তাৰ ভিতৰত কিমানজন চিলড্ৰেন আছিল. অ'কে, let the number of children in the show equals to x. So number of adults in the show equals to 50 minus x, because the collection of children and adults is 50. Right? So according to question, 100 into x plus 250 into 50 minus x equals to 8,600. That means this x is number of children and per children is 100 rupees. Okay, that's why 100 into x, and 50 minus x is the number of adults and per person is 250. So দুইটা আমি এড কৰিলে আমাৰ কিমান হ'ব 8,600, or 100x এ থাকিল, এটা আমি মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰি ব্ৰেক কৰি দিলে কি হ'ব 12,500, and this one 250x equals to 8,600, or 150x minus 150x equals to 8,600 minus 12,500, it is 3,900 minus 3,900, or আমি cancel করলে x equals to 26 পাম. So the number of children in the show is 26, which is our required solution. So my dear student, that's it for today. If you have any problem, then please let me know in the comment box. I will try to solve those things. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.